I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire like a pro. We'll start by understanding the game's core objective, moving all 52 cards to the 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. You'll learn about the key areas of play: the tableau, foundation, stock, and waste piles. The game begins with 7 tableau piles, each having 1 face-up card, setting the stage for strategic play. Now, let's master your moves. A crucial strategy is prioritizing the revelation of hidden cards within the tableau. This opens up new possibilities and helps you progress. When drawing from the stock pile, consider your options carefully before moving cards to the waste pile. Remember to build your 4 foundation piles sequentially, starting with the ace and ending with the king for each of the 4 suits. To elevate your game, consider these advanced tactics. Empty tableau columns are incredibly valuable. Use them strategically to move kings or entire sequences of cards. Resist the urge to move cards to the foundation too early if they could be useful in the tableau to uncover more cards. Always try to plan several moves ahead, anticipating how future card placements will impact your overall strategy. Finally, consistent practice is key to becoming a solitaire pro. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing winning patterns and making optimal decisions. Take time to analyze your past games, identifying any missed opportunities or alternative moves that could have led to a win. By diligently applying these professional strategies, you can significantly improve your win rate and enjoy the game even more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.